Oh, Mamita, it's such a wonderful place to stay here in your old house. I love this place.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And can you sit with me, beside me? Oh, my English ka na, Matisa. Come with me. Come with me. Why you like to stay here?
Because I love Iloilo so much, and I love this place because this is your old house and it has a lot of things that you
Yeah,
do.
because last year you stay in condo, right?
Yes.
So what's the difference between condo and the old house here? And what you like most, the condo or the old house?
Okay, the condo, my favorite thing is the since the condo, like the when we go downstairs, there's a pool and then it's free. Here, I love this place because this is where when I was a baby, I lived here.
Oh, really? You remember?
Yes, my picture's right there.
Where?
There.
It's Tito Smith.
No, I thought that's Tito Smith.
It's not yours.
I thought it was.
Yeah. But may ari sa diya picture, Lynn.
May memory sa newborn.
Yes, also a memory here. So, but it's so good to hear that you love to stay in my old house. But I'm so excited. You know, guess where I get this one. It's very nice. La la la. Yan. You know what is this?
No.
I just open. La 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 la. Yan. This is from my daughter, ha? But no idea kung ano ini. But may English ka na, Matisa, but thank goodness he understand what I mean. You understand my language?
Yes.
Yeah. So this one is from my daughter. Bisayaon ko lang kay balaan mo nga kami kay mag-English Balaan niya nga mahilig ako sa lipstick. But even mahilig ako sa lipstick, hindi ako kabalumag. Mag-turno kung but ang balya, basta brown ko any dress. But kung mga green ang imubayo, di ka pwede sa pink. Ang pink na color is for the dark color like black, brown, white color is also for the pink lipstick. But it's nice kung madamo kita lipstick, kaya nga kung ano lang imubayo nang maparis-paris mo gid. So this is lipstick tanan, Lynn.
This is your favorite, the one that you...
What is this?
It's a lip shine. This is the one that you wore last time.
Ay, wow! This one, abi nyo ang brown na color. Any dress. Gagwapa ka. Ay, my Diyos ko. Gagwapa ka. Black, may lipstick ka. Nami gid akong ginatag sa imo, So,
another shade of brown.
Another shade of brown, Yan. Brown lipstick. This is lip shiner daw.
This is from Anastasia brand.
Anastasia brand. Wala na diyan,
And this one is from the Carolina Herrera.
Yeah, this is already good for 1 year.
The other one is also Anastasia, but you need to open this. It's a nude color.
Ay, that's a nude color.
Yes.
Ay, wow.
But if you want on the brighter side, I have also shade of red.
Ay, nami. Red color is also for the black and brown and white dress.
If you are traveling, you can also use this shade of red.
Ay, wow. So, amula na yato niya.
And there's a lip liner as well.
Ay, lip liner?
Yes.
Anong lip liner? Paano magamit sa lip liner?
Another shade of brown.
Ay, ang lip liner, kinakorit dari para mag-shape ang imong lips. Ay, wow. Thank you so much.
And this is mascara.
Mascara. It's nice. One moment.
This is brow pen, ma. You have a brow pen for your eyeshadow. Eyeliner.
Ay, D3. Hindi na ako magbakas. Kita niyo daw dama gid So, thank you so much, my beloved daughter. Yan, Dorolyn from Dubai. So, you see? La 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 la. La 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 la. You miss my la la la?
Yeah.
You watch in my vlogs. So every
Yes.
time you watch my vlogs, like lalala, what's your reaction?
It's
It's
laughing.
funny, you're laughing.
Yeah.
So it's funny also my vlogs.
Yes.
So you tell my all the friends that they not yet follow our channel, you invite them to follow our channel. You invite them to follow our channel. Tell them to follow our channel. Please follow those people do.
Please follow and subscribe to our vlog.
Yes. Thank you so much and have a blessed morning for
Thank
today.
you.
La la la.